Hello everyone, today I'm going to make those potatoes I was telling you about. We've got russet potatoes, and I'm going to show you how I slice those up. I'm going to leave the skins on this time because I do like skin. There's a lot of nutrients in the skin. Then our other ingredients, guess what? Just salt, pepper, and olive oil. Now you can add any type of seasonings and spices you want to this, and I'm going to do that, but you can leave them just this way. Okay, let me show you how I was slicing this up. Now I want to cut this the long way, this way, so I get a wider cut as I go through. So I took one slice off on this side so it sits very nicely. This is not going to get thrown away. That's going to get cooked. So I'm going to start slicing this way. Here's that side cut. That still works fine. Let me show you about the width I'm going to go. That's it, about right there. About like that. That width. And I'm going to go through and slice these potatoes all up. If you're a little thicker, don't worry about it. Get a little nub, you can cut him off. But I'm going to go through and slice those up and put them into some cold water, okay? Alrighty, I got those sliced up, and I'm just going to go ahead and run those under some cold water. I'm going to take that, rinse it around, dump that out, rinse again until that water is kind of clear, and then I'm going to shake them out, and I'm going to put them over here on paper towels to dry. Alrighty, let's get that oven going here. We're gonna bake, and we're gonna go to 400 degrees. I've got my hot pan out of the oven. It's been that's been warming up in there. So what I wanted to show you was when I laid these in, you can actually hear these sizzle. I wanted to make sure these were good and hot this time. That I had hot grease, or actually I use olive oil. I only got room for one more in here. I goofed him up. Sorry. I even goofed that up. Okay, so when I set those in, I'm going to go ahead and put on a little bit of salt, not much, and then I'm going to put on pepper. I need to use 2 hands for that. Hold on. And this is what I forgot to mention, is I want to go ahead and flip these right now after putting salt and pepper on those. So I'm going to flip that, because now it's got some oil on both sides. That one isn't completely covered, but I'll show you in a second here what we're going to do. And if you see where it's not completely covered with oil right there, just go ahead and take a brush and brush that out. A little bit like that, okay? Because you want these covered with oil. And then I'm going to go ahead and lightly salt and pepper. Let's do the pepper one more time. Salt and pepper, and then we're going to go back into the oven now. Okay, they're on our 15-minute timer. So let's take these out. You can see these are sizzling real well here. So I'm going to flip each one of these now. You see, we don't have a whole lot of browning on this, But all of our seasonings are in place now. So everything's there that we want to do. I put a little bit more olive oil in here this time than I did before. So I would say you probably want to coat that bottom. But you can always add a little bit more olive oil in here if you want. But these have a good coating on them, so I'm not going to need to brush them or anything. They're going to go right back into the oven again for another 15 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, just took them out. That's the second 15. You see there's not much browning up here. But that's going to come because we got one more cycle to go through. One more 15-minute cycle. There we go. And just going to scrub that around a little bit on the bottom to get that good stuff. There we go. And we're going to go back in the oven one more time. Does that look good or what? Yum, yum. All right, here we go. Okay, 15 minutes. Let's check it out. Ho, 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 ho. There we got our browning. Look at that. Both sides are identical. Wow. Wow. That came out just awesome. Just perfect. All right. So let's go ahead and get a plate and take these puppies out. Okay. I waited 3 minutes. So I want to give one of these a try. I'm not going to munch in your ears, so I will step back a little ways. Oh, 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 hot diggity dang. Now I'll tell you what, you're going to love these things. Those are so good. I asked Linda a while ago, I'm reheating some fried chicken. She wanted some fries, mashed potatoes, or what. She wanted these. So that's testament. Love y'all. Thank you.